So you guys, I cannot even believe it. I am going a little crazy. I am in my bedroom on the ground because I'm going to do this video and debut a brand new product for you and show you how to do it. I am an interior decorator through and through. It was my first love, my first passion, and it's just who I am. And that's how I take planning and, making things beautiful. And I think you should have that beautiful surrounding and all those different things. So 3 new products, and these came about because we kept selling out of my art prints on our website, but also on Amazon, and we kept reordering. So I decided everybody charges so much money for like one 8x10 print. Why not do the prints without the frame so that you can get the art prints? And you guys, I'm in college bookstores. There's a lot of things you don't know just because it's just, so I'm in college places, I'm in regular just stores that you probably would never know about that I sell. This is brand new. So you guys, ta-da! I'm showing you my new print sets, and I think I have 5 or 6. They're all 8x10. I'm going to show you how to make a collage wall with these. So I'll just tell you, all of these spoke to me, and I thought I want to show how to make the coolest collage wall. So they're all different sets, and I designed these, you guys. So maybe you go, oh, I'm not really into art prints, and these are all different. These are 30. These, by the way, these are 10 in each set. So there's 10 8x10s, and you may go, oh, they're all different. So every set, and they're on my website right now, they're all different. So you are limitless, and it's all black and white. But here's the thing. I cut these and I put these in my TERESA Collins planner. Yes, I do. These are on Amazon. I have been buying all kinds of different ones because I needed ones that these will come off your wall, you guys. So I'm going to put this on my wall, but they can come off. So say you could put it on your office cubicle, your college dorm, you could, your granddaughter, grandson, your whoever needs these empowerments. So here we go. These came about because when Tyler was in the hospital at Huntsman, their walls, they said, you can hang anything on the walls as long as it comes off. And he didn't want me to because I think it was just something that he didn't want to do. And so these is, oh, I don't want to cry. Whew. This is the Dare to Dream print set. And they all come with 10 8x10s. I have different art print set size too. So I'm just going to show you very thick cardstock weight. This one says, Dare to Dream, do what makes you happy. Hola. Think positive. And again, there's so many different sets and whatever speaks to you. You are magic. Love that one. I really like that one a lot. Turn your doubt into a do. That is so important. The next one, the world needs who you were made to be. You were born enough. There's only one you. I think in a world where there's so many people, it's easy to think, oh, I don't matter. You do matter. This one says, good vibes. Do it fearless. Start now. Be yourself. Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I love this because I have had, all of my kids, my boys are both in college still, but when my girls were in college, I know trying to find artwork and different things was always a little harder. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you that just on the back of my artwork, I'm putting in, and hopefully it shows, I'm putting in my sticker here. And I'm just going to kind of start right here. By the way, so these come off. I've tested these, but I wanted to show, so for me, I just like to show how you could make your own empowerment wall. And I also have artwork that has flowers and different things. So I would definitely, I've got a tiger, I've got other things that you could put with it. So for me, for balance, I always like to I like to line it up so that it really just covers up the whole wall. Oops, covers up the whole wall. And then, especially if you want to add other things, you could. There are no rules in how you design your house, how you decorate, how you plan. I think that's really, but I always go for balance. So look how these are all like different. So when I choose out my artwork, I'm deliberately going to make sure that visually it's different. So if that makes sense. So, and I'm all about this, you know, how it looks. So when you do this, you can just take it, put your things on the back, and you can fill up this whole entire wall yourself. And these were super affordable, by the way. And also my art prints are affordable because I really wanted people to get quality prints, but that have meaning. See this one? That's good too, but I'm going to put this right here. And then you could take the art prints, and it could almost be, and by the way, you could add more, so if that makes sense. I just put one here, but you could put 4 there if you wanted to, so that in case you don't like, you know, that. But I'm just trying to do it kind of a little quicker so that you can kind of get a feel for it. And you could do your entire wall, or you could just do 1 or 2. I mean, it's really up to you what you do. I love this one where it says "You Are Magic." I think that's really pretty. And then I could just keep going and adding more and more on my wall. This one is, I love this one. Pretty positive. Actually, because there's a lot on here, I'm going to actually put this here. And it's all like a visual interest, like what you like. Oh, I like this one here. Hola. Hola, I love this. The other thing you can do is there's enough room, if you wanted to, you could always like add photos. And so I'm going to just kind of show you this. And so you could also, when you're done, if you didn't want to keep these obviously on your wall, you could take it and you could go, oh, I want to, you know, so you guys look, comes right off. And then this comes off. So it sticks, you guys. Like, I have no problem with it staying, but if you go, oh, I really don't like that, it comes right off and it does not harm your wall. But look how cool that looks. I could do the whole wall. So that is just to show you if you wanted to make an empowerment wall, or if you just wanted to put one on and maybe you don't want to, you know, you don't want permanent. And I just, when I designed this line of new print sets, they're 8x10, and I just said, not only do I love this, but you could cut these down if you wanted, and you could actually use them in your planners. There's nothing more important than building your power in your mind every day. So I'm going to tell you one little story before I go and get back to prepping for the kit. Okay, so the event. Again, if you want to join, the code is TERESA10 to save $10 off, and that's on the website. So you guys, I need to share this because I listen to daily, every single day. I listen to, I meditate and I pray, and I just really think about ways to, I go, what can I do today that maybe will help me? You know, how can I be more grateful? How can I, whatever it is, right? So you guys are very nice. Thank you. I don't want to cry. I get really sentimental. But I want you to know that, like, one of the things that you have to practice is how you talk to yourself. So, for example, your mind is going to believe what you tell it. Your mind is going to believe what you tell it. So if you say, well, you're dumb. You look horrible today. You can't do that. Why even try for that job? You're not going to get it. Why are you, who do you think you are? Like, why, you know? But if you flip it and you say, you are kind. You are doing good things in the world. You are beautiful. You can do anything you want to. You are going to attract friends in your life. You are able to figure out that problem. That is what happens. And it's true, you guys. And I'm not just saying it from, TERESA-ism. I'm telling you, it is proven. The human brain will believe what you tell it. That's why they've done studies, and they can hypnotize people and like, you're smelling a lemon. Oh, you're doing whatever. And it's because your brain, your brain is like, okay, you tell me something, I'm going to believe it. You think I'm smart? Yay, I'm smart. I can do that. And so please remember that. And I want you to know that, like, I personally, from the bottom of my heart, want you to know that I believe in that, and that's what I've done. I don't set limits on myself. I always say, hey, you can do this, and you can, hey, I don't sit there and go, oh my gosh, I can't do a live today. I got to do this. I can't do this. And I'm like, no, this is going to be the best virtual live event, and, blah, 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 because the power of your thoughts is so real. And then if maybe there's a hiccup, I go, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. When I hear anybody, if you've been around me, you guys, you know that if you say something negative about yourself, I'm like, wait a minute. No, we don't say that. Oh, I don't want to be in the picture. I don't look good today. I go, nope. You say, I look good today. I am so thankful I'm alive. I'm like, and you just keep doing that, you guys. You can't allow don't say negative things, because guess what? Your brain is going to believe it. And that's the reality. So don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, that was really kind of crazy. Love you guys. Bye.